Moana stood at the helm of her weathered ship, staring out over what had once been a vast and vibrant ocean. Her heart ached as she surveyed the dry sands that now stretched endlessly before her under the scorching desert sun. It was unimaginable how quickly their world had changed, how the boundless waters had retreated into nothingness, leaving behind only thirst and despair. The elders whispered of a mysterious dam that had disrupted the natural flow of the ocean. It had now become Moana's mission to restore balance, to bring back the life-giving waters she so dearly missed. Joining her on this impossible quest were a diverse crew of friends and fellow adventurers. There was Rengi, the resourceful engineer whose mind worked as swiftly as his hands, Pania, the fearless navigator who could find a path even in the most perilous of terrains, and Eka, the wise shaman whose deep connection with nature guided them. Together, they ventured into the heart of the desert, their ship now equipped with wheels to traverse the sand. Each day brought new challenges, from sandstorms that threatened to overwhelm to creatures of the desert that watched with curious eyes. But even more daunting was the moral burden they carried, the need to restore what was lost not just for themselves, but for future generations. Finally, the towering dam loomed on the horizon, a great wall that held the ocean's waters captive. Moana's heart pounded with resolve. They needed a plan. With Rangi's technical brilliance, they devised a means to safely dismantle the dam without causing a disastrous flood. Pania and Eka channeled their skills to ensure safe passage as the team worked tirelessly. It was a tense endeavor, each moment fraught with the potential of catastrophe, but united in purpose, they persevered. As the dam crumbled, the ocean surged forward, a mighty cascade that swept across the desert, transforming barren sands into sparkling shores. Laughter and tears mingled in the wind as life was restored to its rightful place. Moana stood once more at the helm, the familiar scent of salt and sea air filling her senses. It was a new beginning, a testament to resilience and hope. The ocean had returned safely, and with it, a promise to protect and cherish this precious world they called home.